Puzzle just fell. This is what we're eating now. This is who's on the cruise so far. This is Mom's birthday vlog. Hi, Mom. We got Ming. We got Son. Uncle Glenn. We got Pops in the building. Update. 2 more people. Anything you want to say?
We're the birthday crew. Welcome to the cruise.
It's time for a bathroom review. Peep the mirrors. Look at the urinals inside a wall. That shit go crazy. I was wearing loafers. My feet hurt a little bit. We're gonna change shoes. Free ice cream.
Margarita?
Yeah, Aperol Spritz, baby. Caught me the passion fruit spritz. Really good, man. Love it. Nice and refreshing. Meanwhile, we're in the hot tub. Danielle, what do you want to say to the people?
Welcome to the cruise.
Like and
subscribe on the red button below.
Make a comment.
Comment. Tell your friends, your family, people you
your
like,
friends, family.
people you don't like.
Ooh, somebody in trouble. It's coffee time. So the issue is here that we were not hungry and we were saying we weren't gonna eat food. We went to the buffet to look around. I got a plate. Good job. What you got?
So they have this coffee liqueur, or there's pineapple, or there's apple whiskey.
Which one do you like the best?
The coffee's kind of good, and I don't even drink coffee.
Val, what's your favorite?
Coffee and Irish cream.
All right.
So good.
All right, I'm gonna go get some. Taking the stairs everywhere. We don't do this elevator stuff. Let's go. Cut lip. It's dinner time with the boys. Yeah. Ba-ba-ba-bam. Hand ladled shrimp cocktail as appetizer. We're gonna pass the camera to Ming.
What's going on, y'all? You want me to hold it, or are you just gonna?
You go.
Okay, I got you.
Talk to the people.
What's going on, man? It's Ming Tijon. I got the escargot with garlic butter on top, and then over here we have the shrimp cocktail. Mmm,
So good.
exquisite. I'll pass it to Son now.
What's up, people? I got a Caesar salad, something light, because I got 2 entrees that I got to devour. Here's Danielle over here.
Hello, my name's Fred,
Okay, that's Fred, not Danielle.
and we have escargot and shrimp. What's your name?
Oh, Val, and I got chicken with fruit. I thought it was the
What's your name and what do you have?
This is Philip, shrimp cocktail and escargot.
Who's Philip? What do you have, Mom?
Hi, it's Anna with.
This is a crab cake for you, by the window.
Yes, crab cake, soup, and salad.
What do we have over here?
Hi, I'm Pat. I have escargot.
I know you already.
Hi, I'm James. I have a cocktail shrimp.
James has the cocktail shrimp.
You know what we got, baby? Another Aperol Spritz, second one of the day. Let's go. Finishing up with a peach or a blueberry pear cobbler. All right. Cruise vlog. So pretty much the last time I went on a cruise, your boy was sick. Like, I was coughing, everything. I didn't have Rona, but I just was sick and I couldn't really enjoy too much. To be honest, when I go on cruises, I don't do too much as is. I want to kind of just chill, relax, right? But this time I'm feeling better. I was good. I took care of myself, all my vitamins and whatnot. But then this morning I woke up, and then today, so obviously I'm on a cruise. My throat's a little bit messed up, slightly. My nose is a bit stuffed up, so that's kind of sucks. But we're gonna still make the best of it because I'm in better shape than it was last time. So we're gonna kind of just try to have fun. As far as it goes, we're about to go out. I don't know if I want to keep the fit on, change the fit. So you guys know I had the polo, the full linen suit, and the loafers. Took off the jacket, left the polo because you got that two-tone polo design, linen pants still, and this time we took off the socks and went for the espadrilles to give it that more casual vibe that I really like. Also, I got these from my uncle today as a anyways, we got these. So the Adidas Croc Superstar joints. Alright, time 12:57. Time to get some pizza. Pizza. Yeah.
She looks excited.
My favorite part, nighttime. Nobody out here. My camera dirty. We stupid. We're just finna walk all the way over there. Go right here. Look, I'm the feds. I got a police. I see you, freeze. Oh, no one's out there. Tiger Ming. Oh.
No. No way, Matt's gonna do it again.
Of course I'm gonna do. I have to. He's gonna see if the mic is on. Just finished up the gym sesh. We're arriving at the Bahamas. Sea turtle. We're gonna go to laser tag. Let's go. Oh, it's gonna be lit. Oh, we winning this.
Just press the trigger.
What? Oh, that's raw.
Oh, you have to have the dance.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna get some content and then that boy powered up.
1. Commence battle.
Oh shit! I got shot. I got third place. Son got first.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Look at the difference.
Oh, we dominated. Taco time. So, another scenario of us just eating tacos and saying we're gonna look. We got food again. Also, today's actually her birthday.
Happy birthday. Thank you. Happy birthday to me.
Nee, dat niet. Bij deze mensen wil ik niet lachen.
India?
Alleen onze mensen.
Yes.
They do have crews to go to India?
Yes, yes.
Oh, okay. From where?
Happy birthday, dear Pat.
Well, I can't hold.
The outfit video today. We're doing a video. This is Val. She's wearing all black on black, accessorized with a wine glass.
Yes.
Your loves.
I have a funny story about this dress, actually.
Okay.
Yeah, so I got my wisdom teeth out senior year of high school. And a week later,
That's a
I go
podcast.
out and I died. I absolutely died. And I absolutely died. And the next morning I had homecoming. And guess
crazy.
who didn't have a dress?
Who?
Me.
Holy shit.
And I go to the store and I'm hungover as
Hungover as fuck.
so bad.
Crazy.
And I picked this out.
Lit
And I don't
movie.
really remember.
Shit.
But this is what I got.
That's wild.
Yeah.
Thanks for interviewing. What do you think about my outfit?
Your outfit, you look like a mix of a kung fu modern guy with the penny loafers.
You feel me?
Martial arts fighter.
You know, I was showing her how to fight earlier.
It's true. You were.
Did you learn something?
Yes.
Could you
I
leave a
learned.
review on my Google page?
1 through 10.
1 through 10, what do you rate my teaching ability?
I'll give you a 10.
Oh, you heard it here first. Whoa. All right, guys, if you do private lessons with me, I'm guaranteed to leave you with a bruise. 10 out of 10, right? Sick. Anything else you want to say to the people?
Cheers.
Cheers. Clink. Hi, I'm Matthew. This is my outfit. Val's dying on camera. Back in the room. About to change shoes, I think. The slip-on Vans. Let's see how it looks with that. I look like a fucking waiter. We're keeping the loafers on. Alright, so you gotta pay for these cups. Wait, let me not say this in the camera. You gotta pay for these cups. We found them and we washed them and cleaned them. Apparently you can just fill up soda in them because it's part of like a drink package. But you know your boy ain't do all that, you feel me?
That's so dangerous with other things.
Oh! With the smoothness. That was slow too, baby. What the? Meow. Meow. MJ ain't got nothing on me. Ooh, ooh. Bro, look at my extra donuts, bro. I just threw this shit in the hallway, bro. Guys, it's 1:30. We getting pizza. Woohoo. Oh boy. Here's the fit in between the ships. Oh yeah. Tornado. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh, and this is coming down. I think it's coming down. Bruh.
Oh my god,
That's cool. No jumping, please. It scares the mermaids. Happy birthday to you. Alright, we just did karaoke. Val, where are we up to next?
We're going to a hush party.
Silent disco type beat. Let's see what it's gonna be, Val.
Everyone we can see from like far away, everyone's jamming to different rhythms and it looks so weird.
We'll turn it around. Low. Them bag of sweatpants and them. The lights are on. What happened? Glee, we out here. We in the pit.